Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Today we have a special product to review. It was sent to me by somebody I have never heard before, but that's what we're here to review. So if you want to see what they sent me and who sent me, please keep watching. If this is your first time that you have seen my face, never heard of me, please don't forget to subscribe, turn notification bell. If you like my content, I'm not forcing you if you want to, but I'm fun. Well, if you're a recent subscriber, thank you guys so much for always showing me support and always watching my new videos. Thank you so much for always showing me support. Well, today's video, it's about this product right here. This product, it's from Laguna Moon Verb Brightening Teeth Whitening Powder that I received complimentary to review for you guys. And Laguna Moon sent me this. Laguna Moon has been around for a few. They sell their reviews. They have a website. They have an Instagram, and they also sell them on Amazon. So I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check them out. Check out their website. And if you guys want to shop there, leave the link. If you guys want to check it out. They have from nail polishes, from skincare, from the teeth whitening, from the charcoal, the other one that's charcoal. They were gonna be reviewing this product. So this product, it's not tested on animals. It lasts for 12 months. They're FDA approved, so there's nothing wrong with this product. I'm not gonna die. So let's open this product, and here it is. So this is very easy to use. I already used it already. I'm gonna give you in a couple minutes. Hold on. So let's talk about this product. So it's from the Verb Brightening Teeth Whitening Powder. It's spearmint. I love spearmint. So it gives you the instructions right here. It tells you the captions, and it also right here gives you all the ingredients. So there's nothing wrong with any of these ingredients. It's all I believe it's also vegan, and they're from Seattle. This brand contacted me on my email. They sell on Amazon. As you guys know, we have to be careful who contacts us from Amazon, because sometimes they want to steal our money, our hard-working money. So it was very trusty. She was very nice, the person that contacted me, and so she told me if it goes good, she can send me more products so I can review. So let's open this product. So as you guys can see, it's very sealed. So if we go like this, it's already open. So we open it up, and the first thing you see, it's a little spoon. If you don't want to dip the brush in here, you can just get the spoon and put it inside, because bacteria. Once you open here, it gives you a lot. Like, it's not that bad at all. It gives you a lot, and it's crazy because you can smell it right away. So I'll give you a video of how I use this product. It's very easy to use. Didn't irritate my teeth, my mouth, nothing like that. I didn't have no allergic reaction. It was very easy to use. So you guys can see in the video right here. So this product is not bad at all. If you guys want to check it out, the link is below. Get them out. Check out their website. Pretty cool. They're not tested on animal, and they're made in China. But it's man, if you're looking for a teeth whitening, if you drink a lot of coffee, things like that. I drink a lot of coffee, so this is a must for me. I've been using it twice a week, and my difference on my teeth is very, very different. Look at my Colgate smile. If you guys want to check it out, check out the link in my description. I invite you to check them out, check out their products and everything that they. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe down below, click the notification bell to get more updates when I make a new video and post a new video, post in my community tab. Follow me on social media, Instagram, WordPress, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and don't forget to check out the link in bio, link in description. Link in description. And also don't forget, I have a giveaway. Doing a giveaway when I hit 2K on my channel. So if you wanna help out, subscribe. It hurt to subscribe. Get me there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.